bike is too fast.
షూరా?
Yeah. I was telling you.
I thought నీకు అసలు భయమే లేదు కదమ్మా.
But that was too fast. I'm scared when a bike is too fast. I am. And that's a bike and it's too fast. And that's the thing that I'm scared.